Most people think cruise cabin is just a place to sleep. It's not. It's a 150 square foot chaos magnet if you don't have a system. Ask me how I know. We've seen Carl, you know the one, spending 20 minutes of his vacation looking for his sunglasses every single day. Or worse, tripping over a suitcase in the middle of the night. It's giving earthquake vibes in the middle of the ocean. Yep, I said it. Today, I'm giving you the exact cabin organization system that we use to move from stateroom chaos to total calm. Stick around for the rule number 5 because it's the one $10 tool that actually doubles your storage space. Ask me how I know. Cruise cabins are small. Blessed they are. Even on a beautiful ship like Virgin Voyages. If you don't have a plan, the messy one in your relationship will have the whole room looking like a garage sale by day 2. But you're a responsible adult. You do systems. You didn't pay for a luxury vacation to live in a locker. So let's systematize your stay so you can actually enjoy that hammock. Rule number 1, the vertical system. The walls are metal. Use them. If your bags, hats, and itineraries are taking up counter space, you're letting the room win. Carl leaves his key bracelet on the tiny desk. We hang ours by the door. The system is you need heavy-duty magnetic hooks, not the flimsy fridge magnetics, bless it. You need the 25-pound pull ones. We hang our day bags, our lanyards, and even our wet swimsuits on the walls. It turns the entire cabin into a filing cabinet for your life. Pro tip, use one specifically for Scarlet Night accessories. When it's time to get red, you don't want to be digging through the suitcase. You want your system ready to go. Rule number 2, the shoe pouch. The spicy truth, stop using over-the-door organizers for shoes. Your shoes belong under the bed. Those pockets are for systems, your chargers, your sunblock, and your in-case meds. The system expansion is when you have 20 clear pockets on the back of the door. You never ask where is the cycle. The sunscreen is in pocket 3, motion sickness bands, pocket 7. It keeps the tiny bathroom counter completely clear for your actual morning routine. No chaos, just organized adventure. Ask me how I know. I've spent too many mornings hunting for a hairpin in a dark cabin. Anyway, quick pause. Listen, if you're watching this and thinking, I just want someone to handle the organization for me, you're in the right place. We host epic group sailings where we take the care of the logistics and the community vibe so you can just show up and be calm. Check the link in the description to join our private Facebook group. It's full of responsible adults who travel exactly like this. Also, grab that free airport checklist while you're there. Rule number 3, the archive method. The spicy truth, your suitcase is not a drawer. If it's open on the floor or taking up closet space, it's a trip hazard. It's chaos waiting to happen at 3 a.m. The system is, as soon as you unpack those compression cubes, the suitcase goes under the bed. Virgin cabins are designed for this if your bag is too thick, or leave it open and slide it under the bed. Now this is your archive. The dirty laundry goes in the suitcase. Clean clothes stay in the drawers. This one move reclaimed 30% of our floor space. It's the difference between feeling cramped and feeling like you're in a suitcase. Rule number 4, the Scarlet Night staging. The spicy truth, don't wait till 6 p.m. on Scarlet Night to realize your red outfit is a wrinkle mess at the bottom of your bag. That is pure chaos. We have a staging system. On day 1, the red outfits get hung up in the back of the closet. We check for wrinkles and we check for missing buttons. Virgin Voyages is about the vibe. You want to show up feeling like $1,000,000, not like you just crawled out of a laundry basket. Systematize the fun so you can actually enjoy the party. Cabin organization isn't just about being neat. It's about that mental space to actually relax. When you walk into a clear room after a long day in port, your brain hits calm instantly. That's what you paid for. If these systems help you, hit that like button and subscribe for more cruise systems. Drop a comment below. What's the one thing you always bring to organize your cabin? Is it magnetic hooks or something even bigger? Let us know. No chaos, just adventure. And we'll see you on the next hosted trip.